What is up, Locked In fam? I cannot believe it's already week 13 on this Minoxidil beard journey, you know what I'm saying? And hey, without further ado, let's go on and get into the results. This is what your boy is looking like. This is straight on, you know what I'm saying? Tell me what you think. Comment down below. I need some feedback. Comment down below. 13 weeks in on this Minoxidil journey. What y'all think, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, this is what it's looking like up under the neck. I need to brush it a little bit and comb it out a little bit so it'll look better, but this is what I got going on, you know what I mean? All under here, on the sides, side view. I don't know if the sun is making it, you know, kind of lighter than what it is, but it's hair there, you know what I mean? 13 weeks in, you know, sideburns is coming in thick. This is the mustache right here. You know, vellus hairs and starting to darken up a little bit in the middle. I didn't have any hair there before, so that's coming along. Soul patch right here, you know, the connectors, they still coming along. This one is just about connected. On this side, it's basically connected. It just look a little bit more patchy because, you know, the spots that grow quicker, you know, make it look darker and make the rest of the area that's kind of light haired, you know, they got the vellus hairs there, make it seem a little patchy, you know what I mean? Like they're weak, like right up in here, you know, all up in here is vellus hairs. Y'all really can't see it, but it's there. But y'all see these dark hairs right here that's starting to take over. So the vellus hairs are starting to transition. The ones I had before, the new ones, you know, they still at the beginning stages, but hey, work with me, don't flirt with me. But anyways, this is this side right here, you know, not much changed from week 12, but you know, a little bit. Everything is starting to, you know, get darker and, you know, come in a little better. But this is what your boy is working with week 13, you know what I'm saying? So over 3 months, and this is what I got going on from a baby face though. Y'all got to keep in mind, I was babyface Trey a minute ago. So for this to start coming in like this and got me looking like this, you know, daddy vibes right now, you know what I'm saying? Not in the, you know, the flirty way, but like actual daddy vibes. I got 3 kids now, so hey, you know, comment down below if you're a dad, if you're a parent, represent, whoop whoop. Hey, but for what it's worth, when I stand like this, you can kind of see how my beard is gonna look a little bit. Let me find the right angle, you know what I'm saying? You can kind of see, you know, the thickness. Once it come all the way down here, you know, and start connecting, it's gonna look pretty dope, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna look like I had a beard for a minute, you know what I mean? But right now, I'm still babyface Trey. Not really, it's, you know, it's Wolfman Scruff. You can tell I'm getting somewhere, but hey, it's still babyface Trey. Let's be honest. For the most part, you can tell that the Minoxidil is working for your boy. So hey, if you starting out at 0, no hair, and you hear people talking about, well, it's all about genetics and all that stuff, some people can't grow hair there. Hey, Minoxidil will get you hair there. That's just point blank. Now me, with my genetics, I have a lot of men in my family that have beards, you know what I'm saying? I got brothers, I got, you know, uncles, you know what I'm saying? All of that stuff like that, close cousins, first cousins, all that, you know what I mean? They got beards, so I should be able to grow a beard, you know what I'm saying? You know, no problem, especially with the help of Minoxidil. I just never tried to grow a beard, so this is my journey of trying to grow one from just, you know, I had to go T, but I ain't had none of this under here, and I ain't had none of this on the side of my face. Not even the sideburns was, you know, popping like this. So now with this journey, more than Minoxidil, I got other products. I know y'all seen a few of them, but I'm gonna take y'all inside and let y'all see what else I got and what I'm transitioning to, you know what I mean? What I started out with, what I have now, and what I'm about to transition to. So hey, let's go inside real quick and I'll give y'all the rundown.